placements of notes or specific types of notes, whether it be like a bore or a counter bore, that kind of thing, seem to be gotten better and better over time, as if it's learned how I was fixing those. My name is Seth Thompson. I'm an engineer, and I've been here just over 2 years, I think. You never want to take humans out of the process, but I always tell people I make drawings for a living for a reason, which is because I'm better with drawings than I am words. And rather than describing how I want a drawing to be done or something to someone else who might be helping me create that documentation, I'm just dropping it into Draftaid. It pops up with what it is, and then it seems to be intelligently learning from the way I do things and how I like those things as I go on, and it just seems to be more and more tailored to me in the way I do it. So placements of notes or specific types of notes, whether it be like a bore or a counter bore, that kind of thing, seem to be more appropriately placed. The notation has gotten better of how those are written on the drawings, you know, your diameter versus your depth, that kind of a thing. Sometimes one would be missing or the other. They don't seem to be, you know, they seem to have gotten better and better over time, as if it's learned how I was fixing those. And so it's more nuanced technical things. Dimensions have always been easy and obvious, but it's the more technical notes, more difficult notations, those kinds of things have seemed to have improved over time.
My name is Stross, and my position is CAD designer, and I've been with Backyard Discovery for a little over 5 years now. When I first saw Draftaid, I was definitely a little bit skeptical, and I wasn't sure that it would be able to do what we wanted it. The journey from going from being skeptical to being wholeheartedly convinced was the team from Draftaid came down and was able to kind of show us what's going on, and we had video calls with them and everything. All of the notes that we make whenever we're doing our part drawings, we know that they're looking at those and that they're making adjustments and they're tweaking the AI. As the AI has learned and as Draftaid has worked with us and improved everything, it's just grown so much, and the drawings that it's spitting out now are better than ones that I would have created on my own. So
Benjamin Westhoff, design engineer, and I've been here about 5 years now. At first, when I used it, I was nervous, and just because it's new AI. Typically, it would take us about 1 to 2 weeks to do drawings. When now with Draftaid, it takes us about 1 to 2 days. We spend extra time checking, and we can catch issues that we wouldn't have before. Okay, so this is the latest model I've been working on. So to start making those parts, we will open one up. And we'll hit this button here, draw a current part, and it starts going. Starts pulling it in. So these are the dimensions it provides, and it has learned this through the AI as we have given it comments and feedback. I would normally take me about 15 minutes or so. This took 30 seconds. Then when you get to here, you can adjust it, make the changes you would like to see made. But this is something that the AI can learn, and it would do on its own eventually. And then we'll close that part out. And if you go back to Draftaid, hit refresh, and you can see that the corrections have been made. Okay, so let's take a look here. So as I'm taking a look at this drawing, I see it has everything I need already. There's no corrections that need to be done, which is pretty amazing. So definitely give that 2 thumbs up. And there it is. It's easy as that.